of them all. You see me? Now the baddest.
Hey guys, it's a new day. So we have 2 full days left of Jamaica, and we got out of quarantine yesterday technically. So we're about to go to the town, and then we wanted to get like porridge and stuff. So we're going to get that. Then we're supposed to go to the beach today, and then we're gonna go out to eat tonight. So it's gonna be a full day, and I'm gonna try to vlog most of it. So yeah, just a quick tip, well, not a tip, I guess just so y'all know, if you do travel to Jamaica, like, it's not a lot of stuff to do. Recently while we're here, they shut down a lot of beaches. Like, they're shutting down things again. So if you're coming, keep that in mind. Make sure you talk to someone, because they shut down all the beaches that, like, public beaches that like anyone could go to, or they're requiring you to pay for public beaches that were free at one point. I don't know what's going on with these people. Like, the beach that I went to in my Independence Day vlog, it's always been free. Like, you might have to pay a little if you want to use the bathroom and stuff, but now they're requiring you to pay regardless. And that's messed up, because that beach has always been free, like, ever since I've lived here. I don't know if they're doing it because everyone's closed, but yeah, they locked down all the beaches. So we're trying to figure out what beach to go to today, and the one that we're gonna go to, we still have to pay. So yeah, but but yeah, I'll keep vlogging and show you like what we did all day. You want to go in juicy beef first? Yeah. We're going to Island Grill, y'all. They look really nice. They said they look really nice. Because we don't see that. Oh, what they want there? Huh? Oh, them big old mango there. Okay, we need tea. So if you want to what bug, so if you buy your in the fire earlier. Grandma, you left your phone in the house, you know? Again for what? So we'll go with Lenny. Alright. So when I put your pen in me now, you complain.
Go, I vlog tomorrow, I forgot for.
Me have you.
I vlog, get to go Chelsea.
Ugly Syrian.
Now we're from
that they road up the side, this is what we used to drive by.
Oh.
We go to Rockabessa.
Oh, really?
Yep. Yeah, yes, I do run there first.
Oh, look on the river down there, so.
I didn't know there was that way, yes, I do run there first.
Y'all, we are here at the beach. It's so pretty. Yeah, I've never been to this beach. So this is Nuevo. I'll spell it out. So it goes. Girl, your friend me well this day, my record. So it goes all the way up. Jalen, say hi. When you drive fast, you know. She now make you still sit in there, care. Oh, which way we are go walk? Go? Oh, they say swing the wicked and they'll take picture on. Huh? Somebody's in a boat down here. Let me see if I can zoom in. Say hi, Grandma.
Hi. Hey, Tori. It's so nice. We're at the beach.
Yes. Oh. Yes, I'm gonna get them. We'll just get them. Yeah, we got star fruit. Yes, because I saw this tree a few doors down where I live, and they had star fruit, and I was like, I need some. And look, I'm even at this silver suit, yo. Look at them. It's a bunch of firefighters training. They're climbing trees and stuff, spraying hoses, the whole shebang. Jalen said I'm on fire. There's fire. Look, y'all. So they're spraying this hose. So y'all, this is the river, right? But I don't know if, I guess usually the water would go out into the ocean, but storms and stuff, all the rocks are up, so it's blocking it. It looks deep though, like out further, like where it's dark. Yeah, it look like it's deep out there, so. Look at it. It looks stale. And it, you notice it are running in opposite direction? Eh? You notice it are running in opposite direction? Yeah. It looks like it's running in the opposite direction because usually it would run this way, but it's running backwards. I guess because there's nowhere for it to go. They need to move these rocks so it can go into the ocean. It's cute though. Siran, go and go take a, go and go turn up in there. In a river. Jamaica, the river look dirty. So this walk is, I think we walked like a mile. Anyways, another section of the river flows over here too. And I guess this one goes, okay, So yeah, this section of it flows out into the ocean. So yeah, here it is. It's deep. It looks deep though. Oh look. How about fish them there? So lay down, sir. Crab there too? Yeah, it's so look at the sky. I feel like it's about to rain, and I heard it's raining in some places, but everybody's chilling. We're about to go to I'm about to see how the ocean feels. It looks rough though, y'all, and I can't swim that well, but I'm gonna see this view though. I got my I have this swimsuit on with some pants. I got this swimsuit from H&M, and I got it on a discount. It was so inexpensive. I forgot how much, but I know it's like $7. I don't know what was happening. Up here, they have the best view, y'all. Like these houses. Like there was this house earlier right here that was smoking so bad. I thought it was on fire for a minute, but I guess it's okay. They were probably just burning something.
Just to the people them here, they say when the people them come, they put the box of milk and then they serve the food. They are like none.
Don't do it. You buy a killer and kill her. If I was to kill him for you, try to do it.
Why none of them do him that? His name is a bigger boy. the way that talk about. It helps and no.
Yes, I want to use our team, you know, come share them
Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris, look here.
I can't do it. So Chris, you got help me now.
We can't go no further. Jaden! May you drown him?
Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
Come.
Chelsea, hold me and try to see them.
Uncle Chris.
I'll that one.
Don't worry.
Don't worry. Oh, you are trying to do it because I job. Are you kicking out? Then we'll put your head go back on there. Let the go on there. Fear, but don't fear. Well, I told my head. You can't swim? Let's fall, let go down. That's my fago. Where must you go? Go to my garden. Swim. Swim. One thing of still not lose. Show them if you show them in April. Still of this area. Fried open. Fried open and $40 or $50. Let's make ourselves live. Them still do business there.
And I used to know
Yes, man. Yes, man. They used to sell it that dumpling and gravy. Fried dumpling and gravy. Yeah. A lot of people used to discourage them by certain with gravy. You with gravy, dumpling.
This is so nice. Look at this. Look at this, y'all. Look.
What a Tori.
Huh? I want to look cool.
Look at crowd.
Yeah. One's in here too, y'all. No, I want to go find this. Now we made a pit stop. So this is where my mom grew up, right? This is the house that my mom was born in, right? Crazy. And my grandma's changing, but my grandma used to live here with her husband, and they had my mom and my uncle. He lives here now. And then that house up on that hill, y'all, that's where my great grandpa lives. They passed away though, but all these lands right here, like majority of them my great granddad owns, like majority of them. So I want to go look up there, but I don't know if they got dogs, child. But that's my my mom up there with her aunt. I'm gonna go say hi to her.
Guys, you couldn't come and deb out the place, so you can come back with you.
I know what I'm lucky.
Yeah.
You can lock with you.
Come back here.
Come on there, till Sunday. And we are left Thursday, so we just get to look at time if we do not know. I'm about to see because I think Chris are tired. Chris just come grab it, sit in them and I play. Let me tell you.